Welcome back, heroes. This is Sub-Zero, back in another video just for all of you guys. Man, I know a lot of you guys are shocked. I am completely shocked. I was working on another video that I was going to be uploading for you guys this weekend until this official news that was dropped from Subaru. It hit the internet by storm and everyone is talking about it. I'm sure the time this video goes out, all the news outlets, all the YouTubers, all the friends, all the family, everybody's gonna be talking about it, that this 2021 Subaru STI STI is the last gas-powered STI that Subaru is going to make. That's right, this is the last one. We're gonna get into the news of what the heck is going on, does it mean going forward, what are my thoughts on it, what's everyone else's thoughts should be on it, and just moving forward, what does this mean for Subaru? Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Let's have a good video, guys. Let's get it. Peace. Alright, you guys, so let's try and make some sense about what the heck just happened with the Subaru announcement today. Firstly, let's talk about it, guys. Once again, this is not speculation. This is not rumors. This is indeed facts. It's been uploaded by Subaru themselves, by the man himself, by the top of the brass that has come out and said that this 2021 Subaru WRX STI will be the very last gas-powered STI built. They are no longer going to be having an STI for the current generation WRX platform that just came out in 2022. So that Subaru WRX is going to be the only WRX model for that entire gen of Subaru, guys. So whether you guys liked it or not, whether you guys want it or not, that WRX is here to stay, and that's the only thing here to stay. There will be no STI, no updated gas-powered STI. There will be no STI with a 2.4 liter that we all hoped was going to have 350 horsepower. I thought it was going to have 340. A lot of people were speculating it's going to be 400, but that is no longer in the books, and that means that if you guys have a 2021 STI, wow, that value just completely went skyrocketed up. What's even more wild is, if you guys remember, I actually was contemplating on whether I should get the brand new STI model that's going to be coming out, or if I should go ahead and get a 2021 STI after I upgraded from my WRX. You know, I wanted to wait 2 years and just get the new STI, but I don't know, something told me, hey, get the last year model make of this EJ platform. It would be kind of cool to have this, and then you can move forward whether you want to keep it or not. But now that this news comes out, I just want to say thank you, Subaru, because this is going to be a car I am probably never going to sell. You know, I will never, the Corvette, the C706 I have, the 2019, the last manual, last front engine Corvette with a supercharger LT4 platform, I was never going to sell that. That's a goal of mine. Now having this Subaru, this STI, this is literally thank you, Subaru, because now I have something that is just a last of its kind, last of its model, and I am just so excited, guys, to really get into so much is going on with the car. We have the Liberal Addiction full body kit. It's gonna be full Japanese style theme. We have a lot of Japanese parts. So much about this car that's gonna be true Japanese motorsport that's going on with this car. And now that this is the last one, like a 2021 World Rally Blue, this is the very last one, guys. Man, I'm just so excited for it. So what does this mean for Subaru? This means that going forward, Subaru should no longer be considered a brand that is all about performance, competing at the highest level compared to its competitors, and truly building the car that the enthusiasts love. You know, I think what hurts the most about this is that the Subaru is known for being a very enthusiast car, a very cult following car, a very top performing all-wheel drive turbo manual car that growled, that was raw. Yes, it had its issues. Yes, it would break. Yes, it would have its clunkiness, but it gave it personality. You know, it really gave it that style of driving and feel that you only truly get from Subarus. I've drove so many different cars that are way more expensive than this, but there's something about these Subarus, especially this STI, that truly just makes you feel that rawness that we miss in manual cars these days. And the fact that they're truly going away from that, the fact that their WRX top trim is an auto and not a manual, the fact that they gave up on the STI, the fact that they've stopped being innovative is just to me, it's really an indictment on the fact that they no longer have that performance enthusiast style of heart, of soul that they put into their cars, and it really is a sad day. This truly reminds me of how when Nissan built their 370Z, they just kind of gave up on it. They just let it just fizzle out, and it was basically dying. But they said, you know what, we need to build an enthusiast car that's going to truly just stand the test of time, that's going to make people want to embrace the brand again. And look at what's happening with the 400Z, or the new Nissan Z. It's truly bringing people back to the sports segment of Nissan. It's truly making people excited, and I think that is essentially probably going to be what's going to happen to Subaru. We'll see. I think Subaru is going to realize this was a big mistake. I think they're going to realize that this whole generation that they're building was a mistake. It's very shocking, only because at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2 months ago, they teased the STI. They teased, you know, having the big wing. They teased having, you know, the red mirror caps and the arrow and the STI badges and the STI parts. And for them to literally go to the Tokyo Auto Salon and tease that, you know, and then all of a sudden 2 months later, in the 11th hour, right before we're supposed to start getting more news of the STI, right before the WRX dropped, they go ahead and completely just cancel the entire STI. There has to be something that's going on, that either they just were maybe teasing something that they never had, or I don't know what could have happened. Because I mean, when we think about it, guys, there has not been a single test mule of an STI anywhere. We haven't seen a test mule STI driving anywhere, which was very, very confusing, considering that we always have seen test mules, you know, up at least a year. Guys, I have a conspiracy theory. I think that they were going to try and put the 2.4 liter that's in the WRX into this. It didn't have enough power, so they were thinking about, hey, maybe we could just put the EJ into the new STI and just say, hey, let's just throw the EJ into it again. But then they realized the backlash that would have. And I think with the EPA and the miles and the electrification and everything that's going on, I think they realized that they can't put that lack of efficient car on the market in today's society. So I think it was either a very underpowered FA24 that they realized they couldn't push that much. It was either putting an EJ in there or cancel it. And I think they just decided on canceling it. Again, this is my thoughts from how they're operating, but it just makes no sense that they would spend all that time, literally all that time from 2015 to not even having an STI. That just, it's wild to me. It's wild. It's almost like if Subaru was Corvette and they were like, you know what, we're just gonna make the Corvette Stingray and we're just gonna scrap the Z06. You know what I mean? Like that, it just makes no sense. You already have the platform of the WRX. I don't know, guys, but all I do know is thank you, Subaru, because it truly made this decision to getting this 2021 STI so much better. The fact that I now have this, the fact that we got the liberal addiction, we got we got so much stuff coming, guys. Like, oh my gosh, I am just so happy for the fact that we have the last year STI and we're going to be doing some crazy wild things to this car. We might, like, we have the liberal addiction kit, we might do white kit, like there's so much that we're gonna be doing with this car, and I'm shocked. Like, I'm trying to talk to you guys, this is all in one take. I'm trying to talk to you guys exactly how my thoughts on this. I can't believe they did this. I have no idea why they would, if anything, scrap the WRX and just build the STI. Like, just take out the WRX, whatever, and just make the STI. Like, I'm trying to give Subaru the benefit of the doubt. I've been giving them the benefit of the doubt for many years now. You guys have seen many of my videos talking about what's going on with Subaru, but this one really just makes me scratch my head. And the worst part is how they made that WRX and the fact that there's no STI. Really, truly, like, why would you spend 40,000, what was it, 40,000 or 45,000 for a mid package, just like 50,000 for the new WRX? And the worst part about this is, as Subaru enthusiasts, they have seen build after build after build what this car means to us. They see that all we care about mostly is the performance and the fun factor of these cars, but yet that's the one thing that they simply ignored was, hey, you know what, let's just make this all not performance oriented. Let's just build this car to be exactly how it's gonna be. Like, Subaru was built off of motorsport. Subaru was built off of performance. Subaru was the car that 20 years ago was like, wow, we have almost a 300 horsepower 4-cylinder car that is lighter than most, that's faster than most, that drives better than most. But I do want to say thank you, Subaru. I have no idea what it's like to have to build these cars with all the regulations and things that are going on with these cars these days. I have no idea the struggles that you guys go into with building these cars. So up till what you guys have done even today, I do want to say I thank you. I thank you for building this amazing, fantastic car. I want to say thank you for doing everything that you guys have done with these cars up to this point. I know it can't be easy, but hey, thank you guys, and thank you to my YouTube subscribers for, hey man, like telling me, hey, you know what, go ahead and get that 2021 STI. Go ahead and build that for the community. Go ahead and do this for all of us. And man, I'm just so thankful for you guys. Like I said, I got the last year model of the STI, guys. Not even just the EJ, the last gas-powered high-is variant STI, man. This is the last one. It's a 2021. So we're gonna be doing some crazy build stuff, like I said, with this car. Man, if you guys haven't seen, man, I love how these lights I got, super aggressive. Like at nighttime, really, really, really aggressive. Those are the Evolution taillights I got from Subispeed. So much stuff is going on with the car. Got more videos coming here very, very shortly. Grimmspeed, if you guys are watching this video, we have a whole bunch of stuff to be doing with the Grimmspeed parts. Lots of Grimmspeed stuff gonna be coming in. More is gonna be going in with the car. And like I said, guys, man, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Everyone that has a Subaru, all the people that got Subarus, I know you're feeling it. I know you guys are going through it right now. I'm going through it, but hey, just want to say I appreciate you guys. Stay true to the community. I'm trying to keep this as PC as I possibly can for YouTube, and just saying that I love you guys. I appreciate you guys, and thank you guys for embracing me in the Subaru community. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. And man, I guess if this is all we got left, let's make it crazy, man. Let's make this so crazy that Subaru's gonna look back and be like, wow, we should not have scrapped the STI. Let's make this so crazy that they're gonna be like, wow, you know what, this is something that we should have definitely talked to our consumers about. We should definitely take into account of how they would feel about this. Let's make this car so crazy that it forces them to make the STI come back again. Anyway, have a great weekend or whatever day you guys are watching this. Stay safe, keep building the cars you guys love, and like I always say, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality and be your own hero, because the world needs more heroes and we all got the power to be one. Let's have a great one, guys. Peace.